As you can see, this futon's total garbage. This is just from standard sitting on it. I bought this in May. It's, what, August now? And look at the broken pieces there. Normal wear and tear. It's just been sitting there. All I've done is sit on the couch. I haven't even laid on it. And, you know, everything.
So, this is the futon we ordered off Amazon. Looks like it's missing the cup holder. So that middle part right there is not there. So that's disappointing. It's also supposed to come with 2 cushions on the end. As you can see, those aren't here. So guess I'm gonna have to call somebody or send it back. Because this is
He's recording, dumb nut.
Showing video of my chair that I purchased last year. It's tore here, it's tore there, and you can see it's bent, leaning. The leg is broke.
This fits perfectly in my daycare area, just right. Only problem I had was looking for the legs, which is in the bottom of the couch, and my son did it.
It was an easy and simple. Very, very easy and simple.
Try to put it up again. Let it go. Let it go.
Barely a person can